Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take a look at NUU Mobile B10. This is a phone from NUU and it comes with a display of 6.5 inches. We have a 4000 mAh of battery, 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. As you can see, the box is sealed and the contents inside of the box are the phone itself, power adapter, screen protector, quick start guide and a TPU case. Okay, so let me just open the box real quick. The package design is very nice. So this is the phone itself. First impressions of this phone are good, but let's take a quick look what is else inside of the box. Okay, so as you can see, we have the stickers here, we have the paperwork here, we have a screen protector, nice, we have a gel skin TPU case, this is very good. Inside of the box we have the power adapter, we have the cable which is type C on one side and type A on the other. This is the SIM ejection tool and this is the phone itself. So let's remove the sticker here. Okay, so the phone is plastic, but it feels quite nice. Look at the reflection here. Yeah, very nice. We have the buttons here. This must be the fingerprint sensor. We have the SIM slot on the left side. We have a headphone jack on the top, Type-C port on the bottom, and also we have speakers on the bottom. Okay, so the phone powers up. We have the selfie camera on the top left corner. Hi there. Let's just set up the device real quick. Okay, getting the phone ready. Let's just wait for the menu to finish. We are on the menu right now, and as you can see here, we have 95% of battery. This phone must have shipped with 100% of battery, and just losing 5% after like 10 days of shipping or so, this means a lot because this means that the phone battery is very good. Also, we have a simple UI here. Let's just go to settings, about phone. We have Android 11 straight out of the box, and let me just check quickly if we have an update. And we have the November update of 2021. Let's just download. This phone feels very fast. Okay, first impressions. This phone is fast. Let's just take a quick look at the toggles. We have screen record option, night light, do not disturb, airplane mode, screencast. We have some other toggles here, dark theme, storage, etc. We have private DNS, VPNs. Here on system navigations, we can change to gesture navigations. We have gesture control, 3 fingers to screenshot, 3 fingers into the camera, 2 fingers to adjust volume, double click on the lock screen. Dark theme. I believe that for a big display like this, the dark theme is more suitable. This device has 64 GB of storage, and as you can see, 9.5 GB are already used. On security, we have fingerprint and face unlock. Let me just try those real quick. Now that I've added security on this phone, let's just try how quickly the phone will unlock. Let's try the face recognition. Okay, so that was fast. Yeah, that was fast. Okay, so immediately as the camera sees my face, it will unlock the phone. Now let's try the fingerprint sensor. Okay, so even the fingerprint is fast on this phone, and for a phone that will cost you around $150 US, you could not ask more. Let's just open YouTube and test the speaker of the phone. We can go on full screen. Okay, so this is how it will look on YouTube. Only the right side is the speaker. And this phone only has a bottom firing speaker. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not, but the speaker is decent. It's not that loud, it's not that low. Okay, so now to wrap it up, the price of this phone is $150 US, and at that price this is a very good choice. This phone is not for everybody, but this phone, it will be perfect for your grandparent or for a small kid, because this phone has a big display and it has a big battery. It's perfect for social media browsing and internet browsing. Before closing the video, I want to put this screen protector on this phone. It's a glass screen protector, it's not a film. Be sure to clean the screen of the phone with both wipes, the wet one first and the dry one after. Okay, so now that we have cleaned the screen display, you keep the screen protector like this, not attaching to the phone, and turn on the display. We need to align this very good before letting go and stitching it to the phone display. Now that the screen protector is aligned, we can press here. The screen protector is now glued to the phone. Before inserting the TPU case, let's just remove this sticker here. And we have the final product. This is how the phone will look like with the screen protector and the TPU case. This was the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.